Hello. Welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new here. My name is Britt, and today we're going to be opening the Summer Daily Charm Box. Now, my box came a little damaged, but luckily nothing inside was harmed. I am so in love with this box. Last month, I wasn't crazy about the theme, but this one is incredible and perfect for summer. It's all mermaid, beachy, summery vibes, and I'm here for it. So this is everything that comes in the box. You can kind of screenshot, pause here to read what's all in the box. And then I'm going to get into this box. I'm not going to voice over the entire thing. I'm just going to show you everything. And I also have swatches of the polishes that are included in the end, so stay tuned for that. And let's get into all of these gorgeous summery goodies. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so I can see you around for more videos like this. Bye guys!